Hello guys, in this small video I'm going to show you how to integrate WSRR server with the IBM Datapower XI52 box. WSRR is IBM's registry and repository product which holds among other SOA components WSDL as well. Typically WSRR server are integrated to IBM Datapower so that we can fetch the WSDL definition in web services proxy. We will see how to create a web services proxy in another video, but this video is dedicated to integrating WSRR server with the IBM Datapower, and we will also test, we will also create a subscription of a WSDL object and see whether that subscription works correctly or not. So let's kickstart by creating the WSRR server connection. All you need to do is to go here and type in WSRR. First you need to create a connection with the server, a connection object which represents the WSRR server. So I have just clicked on WSRR server and it is going to show me some configuration parameters. Before proceeding with this exercise, you need to have a WSRR server running on an SSL port. So I have one running over here which is running on 9443, and I have created created some prerequisites of this WSRR server in the Datapower. That prerequisites includes uploading its certificate and creating a SSL proxy object. So you can check out my earlier video on this regarding how to upload a SSL certificate in the Datapower box, which will tell you how to get that certificate and how to upload that certificate in the Datapower, and how to create a SSL proxy object which basically represents entire SSL connection with the WSRR server. So let's quickly create the WSRR server object by clicking add. Right, so we need to provide an arbitrary name over here. So I am putting it like test server. Optionally you can put the comments. It is important that you do not modify the URI part of this SOAP URL. You only need to modify the host part of it, and if you have installed a different port, then you need to provide the different port as well. But since our server is running on 9443, so I am not touching it. I am just editing the host part of it. Then the important thing to configure is the SSL proxy profile. As I said, this basically represents object which is required when Datapower will do SSL handshake with the target server, in this case WSRR server. So we have created a SSL proxy profile earlier. You can see in my earlier video how to create that SSL proxy profile. Then we need to provide a username and a password. Then you click the appropriate version of the WSRR. Mine is 7.5 or later, so I have selected that. Right, so our object is created and it is up. Now we need to test whether the connection is created successfully or not. To test that, we will create a subscription in the Datapower a subscription for WSDL object, which is shown over here, and let's see how it works. So I will type in like WSRR, and I will go to WSRR subscription. Right. So let's quickly create a WSDL subscription over here. Sorry. So now we need to provide a couple of we need to supply basically a couple of parameters to this, and I'm creating a WSDL subscription over here. So let me write a name. Comments, I keep it empty. I select the WSRR server on which this component is there. Namespace. So you go to the WSRR server. You click the WSDL document, and here you can find the name. So I copy the name from here, and so this is namespace and this is object name. So let me put the object name first. Object name, and namespace is here. So I copy the namespace from here and I put it here. Subscription object is a WSDL, so that is selected correctly. Synchronization method I usually keep automatic, because in 7.5 or later you can synchronize the WSDL in an automatic manner. I usually keep WSDL versions on because this this lets me know basically what is the exact version which is associated with the subscription, and any kind of accidental overlapping is referring. So here the WSDL version is 1.0.1, so I copy it and I put it here, and fetch policy attachment is on, that is correct, keep it default. Let's click on apply. So our subscription object is ready, and we need to basically see whether the subscription object is created successfully or not. One way to see is that the subscription object is up, but how do we know whether the subscription actually fetched some WSDL or not? So to test it, I mean to verify it, whether how many WSDLs are there and what is the status of our subscription object, let's type in WSRR and go to the bottom where say WSRR subscription status. Click it, and we will see what is the status of our subscription. Yeah, so you should be able to see that the subscription name, the status is okay. If there is an error, the status is named like error. Last refresh date, other parameters as well, and number of WSDLs that is fetched. If there has been any error, the WSDL count must be 0. You can always utilize the synchronize button to synchronize, I mean basically refresh the WSDL definition that is there on the WSRR server. So that's all. Basically, in a nutshell, we have created a WSRR server object We have utilized that object to create a subscription of the WSDL which is present in the WSRR. So that is all. That is all for this video. And thanks for watching. This is Aditya.